Vlog.
Hey vlog.
Hey vlog. We are in, where are we?
Waterfalls.
Our second location in Jeju. I really like it. We're heading to the next Airbnb. It's raining and I think it's gonna rain kind of like the rest of the time here. I didn't bring a coat and I didn't bring my umbrella because it was too big. But I'm not gonna go and buy another one because what am I gonna do with an umbrella back home? Let alone two. I saw a dog earlier. I'll insert a clip. It was the cutest dog ever. It was a puppy and it was so well behaved, so well trained. Like it wouldn't just follow me. Even though that's what I wanted, it didn't. It was like some old lady's dog, so you know that the dog's well loved or something. We're out here in the wild. Wild Jeju rabbit. Out in the wild. Eating the grass. In the wild. So cute!
Very different.
Yeah. Yeah.
All the pet trips.
Yeah. I don't know what we're doing. I'm just following. Anyway, thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications to keep up with all the latest from Lauren Hopkins.
Period. The ocean. There's America. All the way.
All the rays on the camera. Oh, okay. Oh.
Yep. Vlog is just Michelle and I.
Hey vlog.
We are at a rock. Let me show you.
It's not just any rock though. It's a stone pillar naturally formed by the force of crashing waves. So, yeah, pretty cool.
It's volcanic rock.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Actually, this rock looks very phallic.
No,
like
I was
most
literally
things.
thinking. We're at a cliff. Enjoy the view. Hey vlog, it's me. Update, I dropped my camera at some point and now there's like the grid thingy on it, but I don't know how that happened. I don't know how to take it off.
Let me see.
Anyway, we're at a cafe because everyone has class. Liz is here.
Look at her watch tan. My watch tan, it's so bad.
We never did fun facts for Liz. Liz, introduce yourself and say some fun facts about yourself.
I'm Liz. Fun facts? I'm from Georgia. I'll tell you fun facts about Liz. Liz is a super senior because she failed so many classes that her parents sent her to Vietnam to a camp. And she lived in the mountains for a whole year. So now she's living in Korea as a super senior, where she's been blacklisted from Weekly's Fan Science for being an obsessive fan. I just stole their hearts.
We're here.
Teddy Bear Museum.
We're gonna learn about the history of teddy bears. Follow me. The teddy bear story. Why does teddy bear become the most welcoming thing to the kids around the world? And when did people start calling it what? I don't know how to read. The story goes way back to 120 years ago. On November of 1902, the 26th U.S. President Theodore Roosevelt had visited Mississippi to intervene the regional conflict on the boundary of the two states, Louisiana and Mississippi. While the president was in Mississippi, he went for a bear hunting, but without a luck, he could not catch even one. One of his close associates brought a live bear and asked him to shoot him to shoot to comfort his bad feeling, but the president ordered to release the bear by saying that it is not a fair behavior.
Wow, this is what this mountain was.
This is Titanic bear. There's Rose and Jack.
Die.
Jack, I'm flying.
I can't believe Rose and Jack, not real.
They could be.
They gotta romanticize it for what?
The polar bears put the iceberg there and sunk the Titanic. Charlie Chaplin Modern Times bear. World War II bear. Disneyland bear. Moon landing bear. Paddington bear. Berlin bear. Smartphone bear. We really saw the history of the world through teddy bears. I feel so informed. I know everything about history. Thanks, bear.
Is that Jesus?
The Last Supper bear.
Is that Jesus?
Jesus bear.
Is that Jesus? Was
is.
Jesus at the Last Supper?
And this guy was not invited. We got the one where they touch hands bear. We got Mona Lisa bear. Look at her, she is smiling. We got the famous bears, we got the Care Bears, the Paddington bears, Winnie the Pooh bear, we got Beanie Baby bears, and then we got those bears.
Why is the Teddy Bear Museum in Korea?
The smallest.
Island. It's 9mm.
The king is in the house. Please welcome the one, the only Elvis.
This is my masterpiece. It is SpongeBob, but he's kind of cursed looking. But a masterpiece nonetheless. Ames, how do you feel about Thai food? Okay.
It's funny, I suggested it.
Beautiful. Amy, no, you're a mess. You're a mess. The final masterpiece. Call me Picasso.
Reni Picasso.
That took 12 minutes. Hey vlog, we're having Thai food. This is what it looks like. You good?
Teddy bear,